Okay guys, this is it. This is how I resin this. Looks good. Alright, let's see what it looks like on the back. Remember, I used that liquid Frisket, the stuff, under the frog tape. It's a really thick pour, so be careful of those edges. So far, so good. It's just peeling right off. Isn't that amazing? The cleanup with the use of the masking fluid is just absolutely minimal. Look how clean that comes off. I mean, if you've ever done resin, you understand this is a miracle. It's a godsend. All right, let me see this. I'm gonna heat this up. A situation like this where it just looks like it's gonna be stuck, just heat it up. And try again. There you go. Perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy Friday, everybody. Bye. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that for resin. So, masking under the frog tape. All right, so this is the finished resin. You can see all of the crystals are covered, and yet you can still get the texture of the crystal, and I'm so thankful for that. Beautiful. I just have to put the hanger on it, and she's ready.